Hello, guys. This is Akshay Gautam, and I am a trainer and security analyst in InfoSec Train. Today, we'll be talking on Security Plus. Security Plus certification is provided by CompTIA. Security Plus is a blue team course, and also it talks about the defense part of the cybersecurity. Today, we'll be discussing on 5 questions of Security Plus. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. What is the starting point of system hacking? Our options are option A, scanning, option B, gaining access, option C, maintaining access, option C, reconnaissance. Let's have a brief discussion on each options. In case of scanning, attacker will find what are all the ports are open and from where he can attack. In case of gaining access, it is the process of hacking the system and compromising it. In case of maintaining access is when the system is hacked and the attacker wants to maintain the access of the system for a longer period of time. And in case of reconnaissance, it is also known as information gathering. So our answer will be option D, reconnaissance. Why? Because reconnaissance is also known as information gathering, and while starting the system hacking, first thing is to gather the information properly on the target. Let's move further ahead with our next question. Question number 2. Dash is the concept of collection of systems which are command and controlled by someone over the internet. Our options are option A, bot, option B, daisy chaining, option C, botnet, option D, doxing. Let's discuss each option. Bot is the system which is command and controlled by someone. Daisy chaining is the chain of compromised systems which are connected by LANs. Botnet is the collection of systems which are command and controlled by someone over the internet. Doxing is making someone's personal identified information exposed. So our answer will be option C. Botnet is the concept of collection of systems which are command and controlled by someone over the internet. Let's move further ahead with our next question. Question number 3. How information gathering is performed? Our options are option A, active, option B, passive, option C, both active and passive, and option D, none of the above. Let's have a brief discussion on each options. In case of active approach, when attacker is gathering the information about the target, he will directly approach the target or he will directly contact the target. But in case of passive approach, attacker will not directly contact the target when he is gathering the information about the target. He will try to gather the information from the other means like social media. So our answer will be option B, passive. Because if attacker goes with the active approach, then he might get caught. Let's move further ahead with our next question. Question number 4. A hacker is performing hacking on a software where the organization has provided him or her a URL. Which type of ethical hacking is performed? Our options are option A, black box testing, option B, grey box testing, option C, white box testing, and option D, none of the above. Let's discuss each options. In case of black box testing, attacker will not have any information about the software or application. In case of grey box testing, attacker will have very few information about the software. And in case of white box testing, attacker will have all the information about the software. So our answer will be option B, grey box testing. Because organization is providing very less information about the software to the hacker, that is URL. Let's move on to our last question. Question number 5. What is the term footprinting means? Our options are option A, scanning, option B, gaining access, option C, reconnaissance, and option D, maintaining access. Let's have a brief discussion on each option. In case of scanning, attacker will find out what are all the ports are open in the system and from where he can attack. Case of gaining access, it is the process of hacking the system and compromising it. Reconnaissance is also known as footprinting or information gathering. And option D, maintaining access, is when the system is hacked and the attacker wants to maintain the access of the system for a longer period of time. So our answer will be option C, reconnaissance, which is also known as footprinting. Thank you guys. If you want more questions on Security Plus, kindly let us know in the comment section.